is going to witness a mega business and investment summit, Advantage Assam 2.0, which will be scheduled to be take place in Guwahati on February 25th and 26th. So, do you think that it will be a game changer for the entire state?
Yes. See, after this semiconductor which is started in Assam, so international business communities that are eyeing towards Assam. And our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma working very hard day and night, visiting many neighboring countries and requesting them for this mega event of Advantage Assam. So this representative of that country will come and participate. After that, whatever investment they will do, definitely they will do that because Assam is going to be a industrial hub of eastern region. So it's after the peace accord with the various terrorist organizations, now peace prevail in Assam. This is the major breakthrough for the government to initiate such kind of development-oriented program, and entire world community will definitely feel comfortable to invest in Assam, so that they also get benefited, and Assam also will get benefited. The unemployment problem of Assam will be solved up to the mark.
Prime Minister Modi also will take part in this?
Definitely. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also consented to take part in Advantage Assam. We are eagerly waiting to welcome him after the world tour and that successful tour of France, US. Then definitely this mega event of Assam, Advantage Assam, will bring glory to Assam, will bring opportunity for the unemployment youth, will bring scope for the businessmen, and definitely this event will change the face of Assam, because Assam cannot wait for its development. So last time there is an industry policy Assam government has adopted, after that GST. So it causes ease of doing business. The Honorable Prime Minister took such a important measure, so that now automatically the international business community is eyeing towards India and dumping China for this, because India is a place where that very good environment where they can do business.